Hello. In this video, we are going to focus on another application of stack, another conversion, that is from infix to prefix expression. So first of all, you have to reverse your infix expression given in the problem. Then you have to scan the expression from left to right. And whenever the operand will arrive, you have to print them directly into the prefix expression. And if the operator arrives and the stack is found to be empty, then you have to simply push the operator into the stack. So these are some of the basic rules to convert your infix expression into the postfix expression notation. Now we have to check for the precedence and associativity. So if the incoming operator has the higher precedence than the top of the stack, push the incoming operator into the stack. We know if the operator which is in the stack, it has lower precedence, it always allows the operator with higher precedence to sit on the top of it, right? So if our incoming operator is having higher precedence, you can directly push it onto the stack. If the incoming operator has the same precedence with the top of the stack, then push the incoming operator into the stack. Means what? Suppose you have plus in the stack and your incoming operator is also plus, same precedence, then you have to directly push it. Okay. Now, if the incoming operator has the lower precedence than the top of the stack, then you have to pop the top, print the top of the stack, then test the incoming operator against the new top of the stack and pop the operator from the stack if it finds the operator of a lower precedence or the same precedence. Means what? Suppose my stack contains plus, right? Or suppose my stack contains multiplication and my incoming operator is having the plus, which is having the low precedence than multiplication. Then multiplication will not allow plus to sit on the top of it, right? So what you have to do in that case, you have to pop the multiplication from the stack and put it into the prefix notation expression. Afterwards, you have to check which is the new top. Suppose now new top is minus and incoming is plus. So both are of same precedence. Then also you have to pop that minus from the stack and put it into the expression, right? And now again you have to check if the operator of lower precedence is coming, then only you can push it. Okay. Next is if the incoming operator has the same precedence with the top of the stack and incoming operator is your exponent. That means in the stack is also exponent operator is on the top and you are scanning the exponent operator from the expression. Okay. So both are exponent. Top is also exponent, incoming is also exponent. Then what you have to do? Then pop the top of the stack till the condition is true. Okay. If the condition is not true, then you have to push the exponent operator. So until and unless it remains same, you have to pop. And when there is any other operator, then only you have to push. Okay. Now, when we reach at the end of the expression, you have to pop all the remaining elements from the stack and print them onto the expression. Then if the operator is closing bracket, then push it into the stack. If the operator is opening bracket, then pop all the operators from the stack till it finds corresponding closing bracket. Okay. And if the top of the stack is closing, push the operator onto the stack. And at the end, you have to reverse the output. See, initially we have reversed our infix string. So at the end, whatever output you are getting, you have to reverse it to obtain the final prefix expression string. So let us solve this with the help of same example. So k plus l minus m into n plus o raised to p into w by u by v into t plus q. So if we are converting this expression from infix to prefix, the very first step is that we need to first reverse the expression. So the reverse expression will be q plus t into v by u by w into, now closing bracket, p raised to o opening bracket plus n into m minus l plus k. So we have reversed this expression, and now this reverse expression will be used for the further operations. So let us create a table. Okay, and this is my reversed expression. So first symbol I am going to scan is q. Q is a operator or operand. It is a operand. So I need directly put it into the prefix expression, print it. The next one is plus. Plus is an operator. So push it onto the stack. Stack is empty. We can directly push. The next is t. T is an operand. Add it to the prefix expression. Then multiplication, star. Star is a operator. Now you need to check. Plus is already in the stack. Precedence of plus is low than the star. So you can directly push star onto the top. Okay. Then comes v. V is a operand and directly into the expression. Then comes division. Now there are already two, plus and star, on the stack, and incoming is division. Now star is on the top. Star has the same precedence as that of the division. So you can directly, you have to check the associative. It is left. You have to directly push it onto the stack. Then comes u. U is a operand. You have to directly put it into the prefix notation. Then v, sorry, then the division. Division is coming, incoming operator. Already there is 1 plus 1 multiplication, 1 division, and the second division is coming. So second division has the same precedence. Okay, so you can directly push it onto the stack. Then w is coming. W you can directly add to the prefix. Then star is coming. Star is also having the same precedence as that of the division. So you can directly push. Then closing bracket is coming. So what you have to do when the closing bracket is there? So the closing bracket is having the higher precedence. You can directly push it onto the stack. Now next, p is coming. P is a operand directly into the prefix expression. Exponent. Exponent is having the higher precedence. Okay, you have to directly, as compared to multiplication, because we don't compare for the brackets. So exponent is having higher precedence than multiplication, directly push. Then o is coming. O will be directly given to the prefix. Then now see, now we are having the corresponding opening bracket. So what you have to do, whenever there is a corresponding matching bracket is found, you have to pop all the elements until you reach the corresponding matching closing bracket. So I have popped exponent and I have put it into the prefix expression, and immediately after one pop I am finding the corresponding closing bracket. So stop over there. The next is plus. Okay, now plus is coming. Now when plus is coming, the top of the stack contains multiplication. Multiplication will not allow plus to sit on the top of it because plus has lower precedence than multiplication. So what we have to do? Pop multiplication and print it after exponent. Okay, yes, done. Then which is the operator? Division is on the top. So same thing, division is having higher precedence than plus. Division will not allow plus to sit on the top of it. So pop division, first division, and put it onto the prefix expression. So done. Next, which is coming? Again division, same thing, pop division. So we have popped. Again multiplication, same thing. Multiplication is having higher precedence. It will not allow plus to sit on the top of it. So pop multiplication. So we have popped multiplication, division, division, multiplication. Then the remaining is plus, right? So plus is there. Plus is having the same precedence as that of the incoming symbol. So now we can push the plus onto the top. Okay, after that n is coming. N is a operand, directly print it in the prefix. Then multiplication is coming. Multiplication is having higher precedence than plus, so push multiplication into the stack. Then m is coming directly on the prefix notation, minus is coming. Now minus is coming on the top, we have multiplication. Multiplication will not allow minus to be sit on its top. So pop the multiplication and put it into the prefix. So after m we have popped star multiplication and added to prefix notation. Then remaining is plus plus. So there are two plus operations and our incoming is minus. Plus has the same precedence as that of a minus. So allow it to be pushed into the stack. Then coming L you can directly print into the prefix. Then comes plus. Plus has the same precedence as that of the minus. So push plus onto the stack. Then K is coming. K is the operand. So directly put K into the prefix notation. And now we are coming at the end of the stack. So end of the expression. So whatever are the remaining elements, plus pop it and add it to the expression, minus pop it, add it to the expression, plus pop and add, plus pop and add. So last all the elements, remaining elements, we have popped and added in that sequence to the prefix. Now my outcome of this particular operation is QT VU exponent multiplication division multiplication NM multiplication LK plus minus plus plus. Now we are